So this is a student's portal, student page built by using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. The HTML is the one that is used to build the web page, and then the CSS is just used to style the page. And then for JavaScript, it's it's for the form submission and then the data storage. So this is the page, this is the page, and this is the coding. The the doc type and then the HTML language. It just tells the browser that the document is written in HTML, that is in a language. It also specifies that the language of the web page is English. Then um the display is like character text UTF-8. That one helps to allow special characters in the program. Okay, so for the style bar, these are all the CSS parts. This for the styling. Yes, this is internal CSS. Yes, used to start a page and make it appealing. That's it. So this is it. Just how the background should be, the padding, the height, the margin, how the text align should come to the center, everything. So these parts are all all the CSS parts for the styling. And then let's come to the HTML side. The heading, the header, student portal. So this one is the main heading of the system. Okay, and then form ID. This form collects this. So this is the form. These are all the informations in the form. It collects student information, and the ID here is used by JavaScript. Okay, it's used to access and then control the form. That's what the ID does. And then the input types, the ID name, the input type, that's the text, ID names, the IDs, sorry, and then the placeholders. This input field, this part collects the data, the student's details, and then the ID. As I said, the ID allows JavaScript to retrieve the value entered. Okay, to retrieve the value entered. Okay, from here, this is select an option. I select ID level. So this part is just it's a drop down, like those arrows here. It's a drop down. You see, it allows the user to select, like you select what you want. This is the gender to select what you want. Yeah, this is the gender too. Okay, let's come to the checkboxes. The checkboxes, that's the input type. The checkboxes allow multiple subjects like selections. It allows multiple selections, unlike the this ones that we said you choose the select type. That is we you select. There's a drop down for you to select what you want. This one is a checkbox. This is a checkbox, so you pick. You understand? So this is it. This is the table side, and this button type, that's submit. So this is the button type at student. Yeah, this is it. So the table, this is the table under it. Okay, so the name and just after the student has entered their information, so all come in be here. The JavaScript, by the help of the JavaScript, to display the, the student the details over here. Okay, so this is the JavaScript part of the page. Then this one's GS local storage. You just retrieve save student data from the storage from local storage. Okay, so as the student enters their information, this will help to retrieve it. The function display students, all this. The function it displays all student records by looping through the array and then updating the table. That's what it does. For the documents, get elements type this part. For this part, it listens for the form submission, then prevents the page from refreshing. So if I enter something here and then when I'm coming to enter something here, this part maybe might delete. So by the help of this, it won't delete. Okay. So all these parts here, student for the student push, it creates a student object and this creates a student object, yes, and stores it in the student array. That's the student push. This is the local. I think I have a local storage. Okay. And the delete function. Okay, yes, this is the delete function. Yes, the function. Where is it? It will come like as the student details appear here under the table. It will come. So that delete function it removes a selected student like it removes a selected student record from the array and then it will update the table. So this one ensures the system data is displayed immediately when the page loads. Yeah, so let's enter our details and see. So my name, Aisha, my address, home address, okay, number, phone number, gender, I'm female, level 200. So I do programming, I don't do the rest. My GPA, let me type. GPA 4.0. Yeah, so add, so it just appear, and this is the delete tag. Yes, it has deleted. Thank you.